What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. Then my name is Deanna. Today the wig that I am installing is from RemyForte hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below. They reached out to me to do an install for you guys, and that is what I'm going to do today. This is a 26-inch 180 density 6x4 closure wig. So looks like this, and it came in a body wave, but I co-washed it because I had to bleach the knots, so that's why it looks frizzy like this. So it just ignored this, it didn't come like that. But this is what the closure looks like. It is again a 6x4, and it didn't come pre-bleached, so I did have to bleach the knots myself. And so this is what the front is looking like after it's been bleached, but I didn't have to pluck the hairline. The hairline already came like pretty plucked, as you can see here. It's kind of like already sheer. So the inside is on a dome cap like this, and it comes with an adjustable wig band that you can remove if you don't want it. It doesn't have any combs on here at all. So I probably will be gluing this one down. It really just depends how flat it lays, but you can wear this one gluelessly if you want to. So this is just an overview of what it looks like. And we got a bust down black wig, and I cannot wait to install it. So if you want to see me install this hair, then you got to keep on watching. So if you haven't been here for a while, new space, new place, 2024. We are still doing it. This is just like still maybe like my second or third video that I've done here, so I'm still getting used to like the background and feeling exposed, like I said, because I'm in front of these like giant ass windows, and I feel like everybody all up in my business, but it is what it is. So I'm just slicking back my edges with my edge booster. I'm not gonna use a wig cap because my installs always come out a lot better when I don't. Then you can't see nothing. I don't need a wig cap for this install, but if you want to use a wig cap, by all means, go ahead. But I'm just gonna slide this on. And like I said, it doesn't have any combs in it at all. It's just an adjustable strap. But just putting it on my head, it fits snug, so I might be okay. Honestly, I didn't even have to adjust the wig band at all. I just used it on the like setting that it came on, just because I wanted to see how it was gonna fit. And then so this is just a look at what the hairline looks like. Like I said, I didn't pluck it. They plucked it, and so for them to have plucked this, it came out pretty good. Now mind you, I did bleach the knots, so that's what you're seeing right here in the front. But besides that, this looks really good, and it's super thick. Like I said, this is a 180 density, and the density is density, and hold on, it's looking kind of thick. It's looking kind of thick. All right, so I am going to be gluing down this wig. I don't think I'm going to wear it gluelessly, even though you probably could. I just want this to lay like super flat, and as you can see, the front here is kind of rolled up. I was gonna cut that off anyway, but it's kind of rolled up, especially like after I washed it, so I'm just gonna glue it down. All right, so the only issue that I have with these type of wigs is that they tend to always, especially like the 6x4s, they always tend to come down pretty far, which always hits my hairline because my hairline is messed. I don't think it's messed up, but my hairline comes forward pretty far, like on the sides, and it goes back in the middle. Like what kind of sick joke is that? But anyway, so it goes down pretty far on the sides, so always the edges of these damn closures always hit my hairline, and so I'm not going to put any glue down there, clearly, because that's where my hair is. I'm just taking my little jagged scissors here, and I'm just gonna cut off the little bit of the excess lace. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to be doing a middle part with this hair. So I'm going to go ahead and part it. Looks centered, doesn't it? Kind of, sort of. All right, and now I'm just taking my wax stick and my free spray, and I'm just gonna lay down the part here. Now I'm just gonna do my baby hair. And then I'm just taking my black Eco Booster gel and doing my edges per usual. Same old, y'all. Okay, so I decided I want to put DeepWaves in here. So I'm actually going to be using my crimper. I think I got this from Amazon, y'all. It's from Bella Pro. But it looks like this, and it puts really good DeepWaves in there. So I'm just going to section off my hair and do that. Now, mind you, this is a lot of hair, so it may take a while. But honestly, I'm just going to take my time and do it, because the slower you go, the better your hair will come out. If you try and rush it, like, you'll just have regular waves. So I'm going to pin this up like this. And I'm just gonna start from the bottom and work my way up. So I realized that the key is you have to do thin pieces to get the waves to come out good. Like flat pieces. Even if you do a small piece, make sure it's going like horizontally. Like a thin horizontal piece as opposed to like thin and vertical, if that makes sense. Because you can grab a thin chunk like this and do it, but it still won't come out right unless you have a thin piece. You see how it's like going like this now? So yeah. Okay. We'll go ahead and do the other side and I'll be right back. Oh, child. Alrighty, so this is what it's looking like. I feel like this side is looking poofier than this side, but I had to turn my camera around because my window is over here, so I felt like the lighting would be better this way. I'm gonna take this off. Woo. Okay. Really quickly, I'm gonna take, and I've been trying to stop using concealer on parts, but certain weeks you just have to. So like this one is one of them. Like I could pluck the part more, but I really don't want to mess with the part. So I'm just gonna take my concealer. Guess I'll use this one and do this part. That makes it different. It's like completely. I'm just using my cream makeup. And I'm just going to color in the lace where you can see it's like lighter. Bow, and it just disappeared, so love that. All right, and that is the final look. I think if you want to, you can spray some hairspray on here. Like I think I should probably spray some hairspray, but I think I'll be all right. But this is the final look. I hope you can see it given the lighting. I'm gonna do a little turn. Ooh. I really like this. This is really, really cute. So it's good because this hair is thick and long, but even though it's thick and long, it's also very lightweight. Like it's not heavy at all. But it is very, very full. The length is really good. Like it comes down pretty far, like I showed you earlier. Like it looks really good. I didn't have any issues with like tangling, and the shedding, I got like a couple strands. I got like one strand of shedding here from just doing like this. Now I'm not running my fingers through the hair because I don't want to mess up the crimps, but yeah, this came out really cute. Anything that's full and long, I'm gonna love. So, and I definitely love this one. Definitely go check out this hair. All the information for the hair will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.